Alright, so y'all are probably wondering what's going on. Well, I just wanted to show y'all what I do for a living. Here in the town I live in, we live in a small town with about 2,500 population. I work for the city utility department. I work in the city electric department and the city water department. So anytime there's a power outage or a storm happens and a tree falls on a power line, they call us to come fix it. We also do water leaks for the city. This right here, I think, is a 6-inch water main. You can see the pressure there. But we fix water leaks and we do electrical stuff. But I'm showing you several short clips here of different tasks that we do at work. Right here on this one, this is a 12-inch water main. And you can see the pressure here of a 12-inch. And right here's the pipe. This is a 12-inch water main. It's buried about 6 foot underground. Right here we're trying to dig it out. Right here's the patch. This goes on the pipe and fixes the leak. But this is me. This is what I do Monday through Friday, and I'm on call 24/7. We're fixing water leaks and we do electrical stuff. I just wanted to show y'all. Here I am. You can see me swimming around here. I'm a 6 foot deep in the pipe. Right here's a water leak. It's under the road, buried about 6 feet. And you can see the water surfacing here and running down the ditch. Alright, here I am climbing a power pole. I've got spikes in my boot, just climbing. Here's some bucket work. Here's some more tree trim in here. We're clearing the power line right-of-ways. I know this is a different kind of video than I normally post, but I just wanted to show you that this is who I am. I am Missouri Outdoor Adventures. I'm a real person and I hope you are too. This is my channel. I wanted to show you that I have a life, I have a family, I have a job. All I am is a Missouri country boy with a camera phone. I like to hunt, fish, artifact hunt. I like rock hounding. I've got a motorcycle. I've got a boat. I like to go outside and adventure. I create these videos from my outdoor adventures. I hope you all enjoy watching. I have new videos coming weekly. I also have many older videos in my channel. If you're here still watching, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you.